One of the tricks when adding fragrance to your candle is not burning away the fragrance while still making your candle. Working on very high temperature could cause this. So here's what we're going to do. Once your wax is completely melted, you're going to set it aside in your pouring jar and allow the wax to reach a temperature of between 70 to 72 degrees Celsius. If the temperature of the wax is too high, it could burn the fragrance away. Now, while the wax is cooling down, I decided to try this 100% soy wax on my skin because you can use it as a massage candle. I wanted to try it while there's still no fragrance in there. And this is also the perfect time to get your vessel ready. When your wax has reached its desired temperature, it's then time to pour your measured fragrance. You're going to do this as slow as possible. You don't want to create drips or droplets in there because that's going to create air bubbles in your wax. You also want to stir it in a slow motion manner for about 2 minutes so that the fragrance infuses with the wax properly. Just like pouring the fragrance in too fast, mixing the fragrance in too fast will also create air bubbles. So you want to do this as slow as possible. Take your time. It's an infusion process. Pouring in very slowly into your vessel. You can also heat your vessel so that the cooling process is then slowed. The slower the candle cools down, the less chance of it shrinking. In about 2 to 3 hours, your candle should be set. Not entirely. If you poke it through, it's still going to be soft. And what you want to do here is seal it to the vessel. So you want to heat gun the top layer of your candle, not too close because again, you don't want to burn it in the fragrance. Allow the first layer of the candle to melt so that it can create a smooth surface area or smooth surface finishing. If you want to add decals, I don't suggest fresh flowers at all or anything fresh. And if you have to, I suggest keeping them as far away from the wick as possible. With 100% soy wax, you allow the candle to cure for about 24 hours and then your candle's good to go. If you're using paraffin wax, then allow it to cure for about 5 days. The curing is important because if it's not cured completely, then your candle could burn away faster than it actually should. For its full burn time, a full curing period for your particular wax is necessary.